there?
I'm the one who is in.
Now you then draw inside 100 naira. Wey say now you are the one.
See, I no talk. Open the door.
Yes, from where? Who are you looking for?
Open the door. I'm looking for madam.
Who's madam?
Madam, wait there inside.
Oh, small madam.
Yeah. Hey, I will slap you.
Small children of nowadays no get respect for elderly people.
Don't close down, I beg. Working, Gary.
Mona stay here. Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for madam.
Yes.
Madam again?
Yes, na madam. Even old man wey no get money, small pikin no fit respect am.
Oh, wait. Una dey craze?
Wetin you wan do? Wetin you wan do?
Okay, they don dey come, man. They don dey come.
Rubbish. This one wey we see your for. Hope say everything dey okay, sha.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi má bínú náà yẹ kàn kó lórí burúkú ni bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn. Ó kàn lọ ń dé mi mọ́nú lé ní láì ṣẹlẹ̀ ha.
Which kind level be that one na? Yẹn o make sense.
But lónìí, sha.
Ẹ̀yin ọmọ náà pé mo ti mí ìsẹ̀yìn tèmi ẹ̀. Mo ti mí ìsẹ̀yìn tèmi ní street ẹ̀.
Guys, never delay.
Ẹ máa ṣe lọ kò sí problem.
Kò sọ̀rọ̀ sẹ̀.
Asap.
Hello, Oga. I tell you, say madam, I go catch am one day. Every day for the thief, one day for the hustler. Na so that they talk am. I don catch madam today. Those guys wey say make I dey watch, they don dey here with madam. When I dey come house now. Yes, house is on fire. Oga, if I no sure, pack my load comot for the house. Okay.
Bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn fọkàn pò kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa lọ báyà tọ́. Ṣé kò mọ̀ pé àwa kan ni ẹlẹ́yìí wà pẹ̀lú tẹ́lẹ̀? Ó gbọ́dọ̀ lọ́sàn-án kò orúkọ. Ó dẹ̀ mú ẹ lọ báyẹn.
Bọ̀ ìṣá ni àjọ wà ní kò sọ̀rọ̀.
Àjọ wà lẹ́nu ìtura.
Mama, ẹyẹ fẹ́ bá sun wá fẹ́ gbé kinní wá nà.
Kò sí wàhálà màá sáyé fún àwọn tèmi ìsìn máa gbé ẹja.
Ọlọ́run yìí má kí n jẹ.
Ẹja ta sún àdé. Ọmọ kan kó àwọn náà wọlé.
Kẹ́mọ̀ wọlé bọ̀.
Gbogbo ìmúṣẹ kódà ẹ máa fẹsẹ̀ rìn lọ́lé ni.
Asap.
Bí rẹ̀ o, dáná dàbí rẹ̀ o.
Alágbára bí rẹ̀ o, ta ló dàbí rẹ̀ o. Alágbára ọba tó gbé ògo kárí ògo látinú ògo lọ sínú ògo. Ọba tí kì í sùn, ọba tí kì í rẹ̀, ta ló dàbí rẹ̀ o. Alágbára.
In Jesus' mighty name we pray.
Amen.
Wow, in fact, Sister Rita, I really appreciate you for your hospitality.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, welcome.
I really appreciate you guys.
Yeah,
thank you very much.
Yeah.
Hope to see you soon, man.
No problem.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, welcome. Thank you. Babe, how are you doing? You came home so early. Hope you are good.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good. Yeah, no problem.
Are you sure you are good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. I'm going inside. You should come and meet me when you're done.
And you? Did you know the meaning of what you just do? Under the law. Okay. Subsection 413A. Okay. Mother, no use law. You want to spoil my family? Okay, mother, no use law against you. No problem. You know what I'm just telling you now. Just go straight now into your room, pack all your loads, and leave my house. Your work don't end. If you no want problem, if you want peace, pack all your belongings and get lost. We hear me? Yes, we hear you. Get lost, idiot.